Hi, I'm Josh from Electric Scooter Insider. I've been reviewing electric scooters for 2 years. I've reviewed over 60 models, but today I've got something special for you guys. We are going to be unboxing the Unagi E500 dual motor Model 1. So let's take a closer look. First thing first, the size of the box is very compact compared to your average electric scooter. Pop these open. Guys, before we go into the unboxing, I have to show you the box itself. It's almost as good as a scooter. Honestly, look at that. It's so sleek, it's minimalist. It's reminiscent of actually a kind of Mac or an iPhone. It's very clean and it's very compact as well. I really like that. The reason I'm making such a big point around the box is the Unagi is not a cheap scooter, but it does have that luxurious edge, and that's kind of traveled all the way through to the box and the packaging itself. Usually when you get scooters, the boxes they come in, they're boring, they're bland, they're just cardboard. They don't have anything about them really. But guys, wait until you see this. Look at that. Now this really does look like you're getting an iPhone from the future if it had handlebars and a scooter attached to it. So what I'm going to do, we're going to unbox this, and I can't wait to see what this looks like. We've got the scooter assembled. It was very easy. It just took 5 minutes. All you had to do was attach the handlebars and put in 4 screws. That's it. It's as simple as that. You can even ride it straight away because it's got battery also. The handlebar is absolutely gorgeous. It looks incredible. It looks even better than the picture on the box, which is a good sign. I've said previously it's reminiscent of an iPhone. It does look like an iPhone, and you'll see some shots here that we've taken of the scooter for you to get a really close look at. The grips are nice to touch. They're almost smooth, but they have some tact to them, so you can easily grip them. The levers themselves, so you've got one for the accelerator, one for the brake. They are also very smooth and easy to operate. And then you'll also find a headlight at the front end of the handlebars as well. So moving down the scooter, the one-click folding system here is good. Look at this. This is how easy it is. All you do is push down, pop it up, click, there you go. Very easy to use. Anyone can use this, and it's exactly the same for putting it down as well. So just slide down, pop that there, click it up, and you're good to go. Next up is the frame itself. Usually electric scooters are made of an aluminium alloy, which tends to make them a little bit heavy. But this one, this Unagi, is actually made from carbon fiber. It's actually Toray carbon fiber, which is the same stuff that Elon Musk uses on his SpaceX rockets. So it's incredibly durable, but the best thing about it is that it's also very lightweight. Now, scooters can range anywhere from around 20 pounds all the way up to 140. But this one only weighs 26 pounds, which is actually the lightest electric scooter that I have reviewed aside from kid scooters. It's also incredibly easy to lift. Anyone can lift this scooter. You'll notice that the Unagi tires are solid rubber. Now usually solid rubber isn't that great for riding because it doesn't provide much cushioning compared to air-filled ones. But here's the kicker, Unagi have invented a new solid tyre. And actually these solid tyres, you see they have oblong cutouts throughout the tyre. So it actually allows for a lot more cushioning as they roll over kind of pebbles or uneven surfaces, which is essential for this scooter. It doesn't have any suspension. Your wheels are the last line of defense. We've touched on the tires, but if we go to the other side of the scooter, you'll find that on the rear wheel you have a fender. There's a light on the back which turns on as soon as you turn on the scooter, but also this fender acts as a brake as well. So you can push down on this, apply pressure to the back wheel, and that will allow you to come to a much quicker stop. We've covered the handlebars, the frame, the wheels. One last thing that we haven't covered is the deck. Now deck, it's 5 inches wide. It's a bit shorter than usual, so you have to put your one foot forward and the other kind of perpendicular. Embedded into the deck of the scooter itself is this really grippy silicone. Got a nice rigidity to it. It's also very solid and sturdy. Your feet are going to feel glued to this. And that's the unboxing of the Unagi Model One. It's sleek, it's sexy, it's simple. It has a gorgeous design. It looks like it should belong in some sort of sci-fi movie. So one question remains, how will the Unagi perform? Is it just looks, or is it going to give you a performance of a lifetime? Can it withstand daily use? Let's find out in my next video where I'm going to give you a full review of this scooter. We're going to look at speed, acceleration, braking, hill climbing, everything that you could possibly need to know about this scooter. I'm going to give it to you in the next review, so stay tuned. Thank you very much. This was the unboxing of the Unagi Model One.